Baby Rye Bag Splice Cloth Diaper Wet Bags by Modes is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper wet bags products. Double zippered pockets wet bags, one for dry, clean items, another for wet items or dirty diapers. Zipper closure contains leaks and odors. Best cloth diaper wet bags. Cute designs with highest quality stitching and craftsmanship wet bags. This cloth diaper wet bags are made of quality polyester TPU durable waterproof material. 30 cm by 36 cm, approx. 11. 8 in by 14 in, wet bags and can hold approx 5 to 7 cloth diapers. Plus, this cloth diaper wet bags comes with handle for easy carrying or attaching to your diaper bag or stroller. Also this wet bags are great for travel. You can organize your clean or dirty clothes, underwear, socks, swimming suits and other belongings. Great cloth diaper wet bags for baby shower gift. Eco-friendly, washable, reusable wet bags waterproof, hand washing and air dry are recommended to extend the life of this cloth diaper wet bags.